All right, bud, we're live. All right, let's. All right, boys. I'm gonna get a haircut again. All right. So this is just gonna be a back testing slash Q&A. So if you guys have any questions, this is the time to give pretty much every question you have. All right, let's do some back testing, shall we? Let me share my screen. FX. Boom. Boom. All right. 2 people in here. I think we can start back testing again. If you guys have questions, please ask. If you guys want to back test with me, by the way, this is Tuesday, February 18th, 2025. All right, wait 1 second, guys. I'm just pulling this up. Every day, all night, outside. Okay. Okay, let's begin. Let me just make sure this audio is good. All right, we're fine. All right, I'm gonna go new day just because this is a little bit in range here. Okay. Now going into this day, we're leaning a little bit bearish. We do have these lows, so yeah, this would be nice. But let's just see if we actually want to move today because it kind of looks all right. So shorting here would be too much for me, too discretional. I mean, I'm not like that. Yeah, this doesn't look bad at all. This actually looks pretty good. We filled the gap right there. I think maybe like one more candle. Okay, this might just lose. I'm not in this, obviously. Maybe we get another. Yeah, maybe we get a flip here. Okay, that's weird. Looks like we're actually bullish. That's kind of weird. Hold on. Let's see if we get a flip here. No, it's low-key cooked. I guess the 15-minute gap is holding there. What about the 30? Ooh, okay, 30-minute and a 5-minute close like this. Not a bad 5-minute close. Maybe we retrace up now and then flip. Nope, we're cooked. Not gonna trade that. That is a bit too risky for me. We still have both of these targets now, which actually like look really promising. Let's see. Maybe we get an entry. Looks like we shed news, I think. Retrace, retrace, bro. So now we just finally want to dump without an entry. Great. All right. The next target is this untapped 4-hour. We'll see if we can get an entry because we're super bearish right now. Bro, if we can get a retrace, that would be great. Oh my, I already did that. All right, we have more lows down here. What's good, Huz? Gang, not Huz. I'm not. I need a really aggressive flip here. Yeah, it's kind of bullish. Let's do 5. I could probably take this on the 5-minute, if I'm being honest. But the only thing is that the risk reward is kind of big. I guess I could take it just because it's back testing, so if it loses, it's not like a big deal. I probably would take this in the live markets. Just want to put that out there because the flip is relatively weak. But just for your guys' dopamine, I'll do it. I'm gonna go break even there. Of course, break even. Watch this just like fully play out. Okay, yeah, that's like kind of weird. Ask questions, guys. Ask questions. I mainly am doing, obviously, I don't need a back test personally. I thought ideally you guys will just like ask questions and that'll be what I'm doing. All right. We're pretty bearish at the moment. Let's see. Maybe how old are you? 17. Ooh. What do you guys think about this trade? What do you take? Doesn't really look like a bad trade. Played deeper stop loss because kind of here, but like here. Just giving it a bit more room. Why is it a limit, bro? All right. 17-year-old day trader. All right, let's break even there. Please just hit TP. Thank you. All right, TP smacked. TP smacked. I think that close, honestly, that was a good hourly close. We might continue lower. It depends. Okay. Looks like we're continuing lower here. So if we get an entry, if we get a retrace, all right, yeah, we're not getting the entry. Yeah, I don't want to try force. Wow, this is a range. These lows look great, and these lows look great, but we'll see. It would be nice to get an entry to one of these. I can't take this. It'll probably work. Yeah, I knew it. All right, let's see if we get entry to these ones because they're really good. All right, these are even better. Please. Please give me an entry. Please just retrace all it. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Now we have to flip. Please. Nah, it's just like a weak flip, dude. I actually don't want to take it. That's a solid 5-minute close, but it's such a weak flip, bro. And I'm just gonna stay out. Okay. Now, if we get a higher time frame close on a 5, maybe. I need like a really aggressive move lower right now. Probably want to be in a short. I don't really think we're gonna get it. There's no way. And okay, yeah, no entries. Whatever. This, all right. Yeah, we have some pretty good targets, equal highs. Interesting. So this looks like we're either going to be bearish towards these lows, which that doesn't look bad, or we're going to retrace up into, I guess, nothing. No. Yeah, of course. Took the draw out a retracement. Isn't that great? If we continue dumping, we do have these lows. So I could flip aggressively. Yeah, I wouldn't take this. The reason, guys, I'm going to show you. This is a simple pattern trade right here. Look at the risk reward. I'm not going for that, bro. Although it might play, but it's just too risky for me. I mean, it might play out. But... All right. That shit would have played out, but I really don't regret not taking it because it was not the. So we still have lows. Honestly, since we're so bearish, if we can just get like a pretty good retrace, maybe it's like a 15-minute or something, I would just limit at the 15. Like maybe like the limit here. Here. You know what I'll do? Okay. This is I never ever take trades like this. I just want to put it out there. Let me just see. I've like seen this recently. Like you can like this is not a bad idea because save hit 5 or the 15. So I'm taking this because I'm kind of curious. I want to see if it plays out. I'm literally just testing a random idea here. I don't take trades like this live. So if it loses, you guys can't really get mad. Oh my god, no way. Oh my gosh, no freaking way. Do I still want to limit? Probably, yeah. I think we're still gonna go. Limit is right here. I still think this is valid. Okay, we're in. So I've never ever tried something like this. That's why I'm doing it while I'm backtesting at least. So it's not like the end of the world if it doesn't work, right? I'm just testing out this idea. But basically the logic behind this trade is if you go to the hourly, we see how bearish price is in general, right? So knowing how bearish price is, and we have a very good draw on liquidity, these two draws lower. This trade is basically just assuming that this is a condition, this 15-minute gap against both of these. That's my condition. So the only way that I'm losing this trade is if my bias is just simply wrong, right? So I think it's a pretty good idea. We'll see if my condition is right. Because if my bias on the day is correct, then this trade won't fail, right? That's pretty much the idea. It's kind of not delivering well though, but this is low key just a chop. I probably should have just gone break even. Oh my god, it's 5 p.m. See, like I'm not like there's nothing I would obviously take in real time. I really just wanted to see what happened. This is terrible. This is like literally terrible price, bro. What is this? All right. I definitely don't think this trade is valid anymore. Like 100% not valid. It's probably gonna get stopped, but what is going on? Wait, this is a new, bro. This is the new session. Oh my god. But yeah, as I mentioned, I would never take that live time. I just simply wanted to see if it was like a valid trade. All right, this is an untapped daily gap, which is great. So I'm actually really confident in a long. Ooh, should we do? Should I take it? Oh. Do you also trade after 11? Not really. I mean, like, I'm not like, I don't like restrict myself to like a certain time, but I'm never really on the charts past 11. Oh, wow. That was an aggressive dump. So, low key, I might give this another shot. Like, the what I did last time, like just limiting at a condition. No, the draw is too far with this one. I just want to see if I can get like a good trade on this. Again, right now I'm not even trading my model. I guess it is, but I'm like literally just testing out to see how this would work if I were to try this live, where I'm just like limiting at certain areas. It's kind of like top ticking and bottom ticking. I can't lie. I'm just like really. I feel like it could be. I feel like it could be a good idea. Okay, so again, I want to try testing these out. I would 100% not take this lifetime. So if this loses, please do not be like, oh my god, it's not a trade. I would telling you right now, I'm never taking this. But like the idea again is the only way that I'm losing this. The only way that I'm losing this is if my bias is wrong, and my bias is bearish towards these hourly. Again, it's also literally like 2:50 p.m. So I'm obviously wouldn't be on the charts at this point. So at this point, I would probably trail stops a bit, mitigate the risk a lot. Let me just check the hourly. I'm gonna leave it. Where was it before? It was right here. The only reason I'm gonna leave it is because we have 2 hourly gaps right here, which we could respect. So I'm just gonna leave it. Bro, it's 450. Wow, what was that? What's well, I mean, this would have actually been a break-even trade because if I was actually on the 1 minute, I would have been one break-even, like left. That was weird. What the hell? Wait, that's a down low key. All right, I'm obviously not gonna, but hopefully you guys believe me. I'm not ever taking that live time yet until I can actually like see how it works and gain confidence with that. Ooh, this and this still great draws. Should I limit? Bro, I'm not trading how I always trade. I'm just testing this out. Oh my god. Bro, oh my god, that is so annoying. Ask questions, guys. I really want to answer questions. I could limit this because we're so bearish. Did I miss it? I kind of missed the limit. The limit would have been like right at the top of this, top ticking. Ooh, should I do this? All right, again, if this loses, it's not the way that I ever trade real time. So I'm testing out this strat. Right? It's not like a strategy, it's just a it's not a strategy, it's just like a what am I trying to say? Different style of trading continuation. I definitely could have waited for a deeper retracement, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm not surprised this is probably not gonna work. Every day all night all summer. What is going on? Why is price always like this whenever I enter into it? All right. Wow. Break even. This shit better hit. If it doesn't hit, I'm crashing out. All right. Thank God. Took way too long. But honestly, I could have waited for. Ooh, this would have been. Ooh, that would have been nice. If I limited instead, if I waited for the 15-minute, I could have limited at the 15-minute, and I would have seen like pretty much zero drawdown, which is great. So maybe wait for a bigger retrace. Maybe that's what I can do. By the way, if you guys want to work with me one-on-one, I put the link in the description. I just wanted to put that out there. All right. Yep. So you trade continuation. Yeah. This is like the type of thing that actually. Oh my God, that looks gorgeous. This looks like a gorgeous loan because I think, wait, why is my 4 hour just like not working? All right, yeah, because we have this untapped 4 hour gap, and I'll play a deep stop loss here. So the reason I like playing deep stop is because it basically means if I lose, it's because my bias was wrong. That's it. I'm gonna go over even because I don't really need to see anymore. Let's chop, yeah. Dude, this is terrible. Terrible price action. My YouTube homepage. What is this chop? Yeah, I don't think it's that big a video though. It's not like a make or break. People will click on my video if it's a good video. I don't think homepage does. Well, if you go to like the video section, which is where you would want to watch videos, right? That's where you'd see my videos. You know? Yeah, I know. People should know that though. It's pretty obvious. Do you have like 1,000? Do you have like 1,000,000 subscribers or something? Because you seem to have like a lot of advice. Ooh. Looks like we're low key. I really like. I don't know. I don't think it's that big of a deal, Mason. Yeah, now this is too chopped. Yo, low key, should I limit this 30-minute? Hell no. We're already inside these big gaps. Not trying to long. Probably will work, but I'm not trying to long. Do I follow the NBA? I thought I even followed the NBA. What? Game. Do I know you in real life? Yeah, I do. But like, how do you know I used to? Because you said, do I still? Do I, do I know you? Do I know you? Oh, my neck. My neck hurts. My neck hurts. That low key. This low key could be good. Oh, yeah. Whoa. All right. This is a break even trade. Like live. I just need to go up one tick, bro. Watch it not do that. All right, yeah. Well, that's a break even. I don't even have to explain why. I literally like would have closed it. I needed to go one tick higher and then I would have closed it. But it had this really weird wick. That's low key a short too that I just missed, bro. That's annoying. I don't understand why you wouldn't want to do something that benefits your no, it's not that I wouldn't want to do it. I just like don't think it's. I don't think I need to like care so much about that right now. I don't need like that urgent like I gotta do this now. Like maybe for the future. But I've been growing on YouTube fine without it. I don't think because like my videos pop up. The reason your videos will do well is because they pop up on someone's YouTube feed or YouTube homepage, and then they click on it there. It's rare that they're like looking up your YouTube channel name and they see that you have no videos. Like what? That's not how people are coming across my channel. Lol. Why is it a limit? This is like a bit of a riskier trade because I'm bottoming, which basically means there's no internal low. I'm gonna put stops and profit to secure a winning trade. All right, bang. Oh, my neck. AI trading bot? No. The reason that that won't work is because the way that we trade or the way that continuation traders trade is very discretionary. So a bot really can't a bot really can't like pattern that, you know. Do I have any other investments like gold or Bitcoin? I just have like some like long-term stuff that I'm holding. Like I'm holding like long-term ES, for example, but not really. I don't really do crypto. I don't really dabble in that. Bro, I want to get like 15 people in here. That's the most I've had is like 30, which was actually like really good for YouTube. All right, Mason. Like I really like don't know why you're mad. I'm not like doing anything. Just like I don't know. Like you're always giving me advice. It seems like you have a lot of advice to give. When I see your channel probably has like one subscriber. This is like, look, this is like conditions that you could probably limit at. Oh, come on. If we get like a good 5 or 50 limit there. Mason, bro, just like leave. I'm not closed-minded. I don't really need your advice. I could have limited it to 15 there, but it was kind of too late. Oh, I knew it. Dude, that would have been so good if I limited right here. Oh, that would have been butter. Keep selling your course. Got it. I don't even have a course. But no. Okay. Mason, are you like slow, bro? Like, do you know what a course is? A course is a video course that you could just like buy. I don't have a video course you buy. I do one-on-one calls with people. Like, I don't understand. And like my students make money. I don't understand. Like, you're just like looking for something to hate on for no reason because I said I don't need your advice. Because you're constantly giving me advice. Like, can you just like it's part of social media, I guess. You gotta deal with people like this. Yeah, why do you care so much about helping me? Like, you don't need to help me. You should just help yourself, like help your own channel. Like, I don't know why you're like, I don't get it, bro. All right, are you done? Like, I don't mean like, I want to have some educational live stream. I don't want to like do this. What do we think about this long boys? That it's like a limit type of trade. I don't know, the ones that I've been like testing. I have a 15. This actually makes a lot of sense because the 15 and the draw. The draw is super clear. It's better at TP, bro. Brutal edge. Well, I might just give me another entry though, because that's crazy. Did yes take it? No. That's crazy work. No way we just edged it. Look at the high too. Like such an obvious draw. Although if we get a retrace now into like a, maybe we tap 30-minute gap. Ooh, low key limiting gap is 30-minute. Ooh. What are we doing? No way, about to take it like that. All right, we're just gonna like randomly take it in the middle of the range. Oh my god, did we just? No, we didn't. What is? All right, there we go. All right, now we can actually get set up. I'm not gonna limit this because it's a range, so it's a little bit too risky to limit. Because limiting only really works when we're in like trending conditions. I just realized it's 4:30 p.m. I'm not gonna trade that. It's gonna take it. Nope. What do you guys think? Do I limit this? Is this worth limiting? Probably. I'll probably wait for one more. If we can like just like fill this 5-minute. Did we? All right. Yeah. There we go. Look. See how big my stop is? This basically just means I'm only losing this trade if my bias is wrong. That's what these limiting types of trades are like. Good reaction there. I probably wouldn't have should have just gone break even before. Is that 10 a.m. news? Wow. So I probably would have went break even here, to be honest. This looks, ooh. Why is my 4 hours like not work? I know. I never trade ranges really. I need trending price for my trading day to be valid. Ending TP smacked. I don't know why my 4 hours doesn't want to work. Keep asking questions, guys. I don't really want to back test. I'd rather just be answering questions. You should use Sierra chart much better trading weekends. I've never heard of Sierra chart actually. I can maybe look, but right now I really what I'm actually doing is I'm just using tops of X. Trade is like mid. I don't like trade but you gotta do what you gotta do. So it's good. Catching pipes. How long it take me? I've been live How long have I been live for? 40 minutes. I've been live for 40 minutes. Jeez. I didn't even realize. Ask any questions, guys. I will respond. Any questions. I've been live for so long. I kind of need to like do something else. This is like brain rot. Wait, why is TikTok is glitched. Everybody that posted today is getting 0 views. Like TikTok is like down or something. What? Yo, if you're in this chat, if you're watching me right now, hit the subscribe button. Why don't you? Hit that sub, boy. Oh, we look got 8 people in the dough. We look got 8 people in this dough. Like, let's get it. Every 8 people in here, subscribe if you're not already. I backed this for the last 6 months after work, 5 to 6 hours every day. It makes a difference. Yeah, that's tough, bro. I used to also do that. I used to back test like after school and before school, probably like 6 hours a day. And that was like really, really mentally draining because you don't need to like if you're doing like an hour of quality back testing, like that is 100% good enough rather than like 5 hours of like not testing. How long have I been trading? Roughly like 1 year and 8 months. Get off TikTok. Yeah, no, my TikTok is bugged. I think every person's getting like 0 views or something. I don't know. My neck, bro. Ooh. Ooh. What do you guys think? Should I short? You guys tell me. It's not a bad trade. Why is it at a limit? If you look at no. That's doing too much. I promise. If you look at every single tick, you're gonna get in your head about it and overanalyze. It's really not useful. Wow. 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 I gotta sit with my Santa Cruz electrolytes while working. Let's see snow. You don't have an entry model. That is not true. Wow. Snow is crazy. I do have an entry model. I'm just not trading it right now, like fully. I'm testing out like the whole limit thing right now. That hurts. I'm not even kidding. TP 40 ticks. I'm not shorting right now. I mean, I don't like try to predict. That's the thing. I'll just literally just react to what we're doing. If we're going up, I'll try to long. See, I'm not like trying to predict what's gonna happen. Wow. All right, data lows taken. Let me catch one more W trade, and then I'm gonna dip. Oh, we low-key got that eyes though. Wait, is it that eyes? Oh. Do I do it? Do I do it? Do I do it? Dude, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. It's dead eyes. This is not a short. Ooh. 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 Okay. We're guaranteed going to dead eyes, bro. What? Give me. All right. Oh, we also have data lows. Do I short to data lows right now? Oh. Was that news? Doesn't look like that was news. So this is actually a short, yeah. Because we have data lows. Break even. This has to hit. Don't do that. What? Wait, did we hit it? Oh my god. Wait, no, we did. Wow. What? Oh my god. This is guaranteed, dude. This is like full 43% risk. Yeah. Wait, what? We just didn't hit TP. What am I doing? Oh my god, it's because I put my TP down here. Oh my god, bro. All right, well, that's not an actual loss. That's so annoying. Every day on that. I'm not like really like trading seriously right now. I've been doing this too long for me to be able to take good trades. When you backtest for too long, you just like fry your brain. But we do have data highs, so can we get a trade to data highs? Oh. Bang. We got data highs, 15-minute close. 15-minute is more like swing. It does work obviously on day trading. Like it is like, all right, this is chopped. It's like 4 p.m. Just go. Go. Let's go through that highs. Yeah. This is a terrible trade. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna get off soon. I'm Loki just too tired. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Or we gotta go down highs. Come on. Ask questions. 4 p.m. is never your time. Yeah, I know. I never trade at 4 p.m. I mean, like I said, I'm not like backtesting like that. I really just know right now we have to go to dead highs. Yeah. Should I look at this? Okay. This might be good because it means I can put my TP here and I can put my stop loss down here. All right. Bet. Look. All right. If I lose this trade, it just means my bias is completely wrong. That's what this means. So like this is the type of trades I'm practicing right now. I'm just kind of curious how they actually work. Because my bias is that we're going to go, okay, break even. My bias is that we're going to data highs. So we'll see if that bias is right. And break even. Watch it break even in red. Watch. Yeah. Fuck you. Wow. Huge short here. Real market maker. Is bro a market maker? Oh. Just give me one. Yeah. There we go. That's a big trade. This is guaranteed. Come on, give it to me. Free money. Come on. You did it. You could have entered on this one or this one. Doesn't really matter. Either one is a full portable trade. Like genuinely full portable. All right. I've been live for a bit, a little bit too long. All right. What time is it? Such big profits. Well, it was obvious that we were going to go to that highs. That was the idea. Anyways, I've been live for almost an hour, so I think I'm going to pop off, but I appreciate everybody who joined and interacted. Hopefully you guys could gain some value. And we have 7 people in here. Guys, last questions. Go, go, go. Just ask any last questions. See you, brother. Appreciate you guys for joining. If you guys want to work with me one-on-one, the link is in the description. If you want to join my free community, the link is also there. So appreciate you guys, and I will see you all later. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.